Marco Polo started his journey to China when he was 17 years old. He arrived at the palace of Kublai Khan, the Emperor of China. Kublai Khan liked Marco Polo because he was very clever. Marco Polo worked for the emperor for 17 years. Marco Polo left China in 1292. 3 years later, Marco Polo arrived in Venice. In 1298, there was a war between Venice and Genoa. Marco Polo ended up in prison. In prison, Marco Polo met a writer. Marco told him about China and he wrote a book called The Travels of Marco Polo. Today, we know a lot about China because of Marco Polo. People call Marco Polo one of the greatest explorers of all time.